Hello, good morning, my dear parents. How are you? Now, you know the adverse situation throughout the world. You have to keep in your home, stay at your home, and we try our level best to prepare yourself because after recovering this adverse situation, you have to make preparation for the placement. So we don't stop our classes. We are trying our level best, but every chapter cannot be taught by the help of this method. So last day we have discussed around the mixed fraction, how to control the mixed fraction and how to control the recurring. Now today's area is the trigonometry. Trigonometry is the most important for each and every campus placement. If you go for the CGL, bank, railway, corporates, even Capgemini, Genpact, CTS, they are giving trigonometry. If we appear elite pass, if we appear for AMCAT, you have to face this question. The trigonometry can be solved by the help of some preparation, some formulas and some tricks. So before starting trigonometry, we want to go for the revision of the formulas. Main case, this is a one triangle. ABC is a triangle where C is an unknown angle, say theta. The value of theta should be less than 90 degree. Case 1. One angle is 90 degree. Opposite to this 90 degree, that is always be treated as a hypotenuse. And opposite to the angle of theta, we always treat as a perpendicular. And the rest side is a base. Basic theory. Now, perpendicular by hypotenuse equal to sine theta. Just reverse, hypotenuse by perpendicular will be equal to cosec theta. Second, base by hypotenuse is equal to cos theta. Now, hypotenuse by base equal to sec theta. Perpendicular by base equal to tan theta. And base by perpendicular equal to cot theta. This is your section 1. Now section 2, we have to move for section 2. If I multiply these and this, we can get result is 1. If I multiply these and this, we can get result 1. If I multiply these and this, we can get result 1. And that is called elimination formula. Now our next part is an elimination formula. Remember, sine theta into cosec theta equal to 1, first case. Second, cos theta into sec theta equal to 1 in our second case. And the third case, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. These elimination formula are used when we have to eliminate the sine, cos, tan, cot in terms of number. These are the elimination formula. Now we know some extra formula. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is another elimination formula. We know the formula sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So we can write elimination formula sec square theta minus tan square theta. The result will be 1. Next, cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So elimination formula cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. These all are elimination formula. Now we want to go for the elimination, then we can use the elimination formula. In future I will apply this. Next part, tan theta, we know the value of sine theta by cos theta. Similarly, cot theta equal to cos theta by sine theta. Now remember, your syllabus is 9-10, but you have to apply very fast. First of all, recapitulate the formulas. Then we want to move how to this formula can be applied in your examination question. Next, some important formulas. Sine 90 degree minus theta. Result is cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 degree minus theta will be equal to sin theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta. Now cot 90 degree minus theta equal to tan theta. Similarly, sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta. First of all, you have to recapitulate all the formulas. Then, second phase we can apply. How can I apply this formula in our example question? This elimination formula, remember, 90 minus theta, sin transferred to cos, cos transferred to sin. 90 minus theta, tan transferred to cot, cot transferred to tan. 90 minus theta, sec transferred to cosec, and cosec transferred to sec. Now the last area, you have to remember the values, standard values. We have done all the things from our 9-10, but in this case, just remember, we have done trigonometry 9-10 level, and we have to do trigonometry within the 1 hour. So recapitulate all the things. Standard value 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Most important result you have to remember. Now sin, then cos, then tan, then cot, and we know if I reverse cos we can get sec. If I reverse sin, we can get cosec, and so on. The first line you have to remember, the standard value 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 0, 1. Just reverse 1, then root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half, and 0. Now tan 0 means sin 0 by cos 0 means 0. This is 1 by root 3. This is 1, this is root 3, this is undefined. Anything value 0 undefined. Just reverse undefined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, and 0. That is your summarization of 9-10 level trigonometry. This formula you have to remember. Now we can move for what your question you have to face and how to give the answer. Now follow our next step, the most important pattern. They are giving 3 problems. 1. If sin theta plus cos theta equal root 2, what is the value of tan theta by cot theta plus cos theta equal to how? Number 2. Tan theta plus cot theta equal to 2. Find the value of sin square theta minus cos square theta by 2 tan theta equal to how? Third question. If tan theta plus cot theta equal to 4 by root 3, find the value of sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Remember, this problem we have solved in our 9-10 level, and you have 3 to 5 minute time. To solve this problem, you will need only 30 to 40 second time maximum. Now you will know the table, and how can I apply the table? These are the main features of this problem. Sin theta plus cos theta equal root 2. So both are theta. If we take theta as a 0, so sin plus cos value summation is not root 2. This sin and cos value is 1 plus root 3, not root 2. This plus this 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 equal 2 by root 2, ultimately value is a root 2. So you know, if sin theta plus cos theta equal root 2, so this value becomes root 2, so theta definitely 45 degree. So we know directly theta equal to 45 degree. And put the value, tan 45 equal to 1 by cot 45 degree equal to 1 plus cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. Simplify and give the answer. Case 2. Tan theta plus cot theta equal to 2. This tan and this cot. If I make summation, we cannot get 2. If I make summation, we can get 2 by 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3 plus root 3 equal to 4 by root 3. If I make summation, we can get 2. So tan theta plus cot theta when 2, theta should be 45 degree. Again, we can put theta 1 45 degree. So now sin 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, then whole square, minus cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, then whole square, by 2 into, don't try to put the value because this minus this result is 0. So without putting, we can get the result will be 0. You have to minimize your time. You know this 1 by root 2 whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square, whatever may be, the result will be 0. So whatever the denominator, the result should be 0. So don't put the values. Again, tan theta plus cot theta equal to 4 by root 3. If I get summation, you cannot get to 4 by root 3. If I get summation, this result is 4 by root 3. So this result 4 by root 3, this result 4 by root 3. You can put any value. You can assume theta equal to 30 degree, or you can assume theta equal to 60 degree, you can get the same result. So now, sin theta, if I theta equal to 30 degree, so sin 30 equal to half, plus cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, by sin 30 equal to half, minus cos theta 30 equal to root 3 by 2. And similarly, we can get the answer. The most important pattern where we can find the value by using trigonometrical table. Okay, so practice at your home. Different pattern before entering the examination hall. You know how many ways I can give you question and what is the shortcut techniques to overcome these timings. In our examination question, this elimination formula, remember 90 minus theta, sin transfer to cos, cos transfer to sin. 90 minus theta, tan transfer to cot, cot transfer to tan. 90 minus theta, sec transfer to cosec, and cosec transfer to sec. Now the last area, you have to remember the values, standard values. We have done all the things from 19, but in this case, just remember, we have done trigonometry 19 level and we have to do trigonometry within the 1 hour. So recover all the things. Standard value 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Most important result you have to remember. Now sin, then cos, then tan, then cot, and we know if I reverse cos we can get sec. If I reverse sin, we can get cosec and so on. The first line you have to remember, the standard value 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 0, 1. Just reverse 1, then root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half and 0. Now tan 0 means sin 0 by cos 0 means 0. This is 1 by root 3. This is 1, this is root 3, this is undefined. Anything where 0 undefined. Just reverse undefined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. That is your summarization of 9-10 level trigonometry. This formula you have to remember. Now we can move for what your question you have to face and how to give the answer. Formula. Now our next part is an elimination formula. Remember sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1, first case. Second, cos theta into sec theta equal to 1 in your second case. And the third case, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. These elimination formula are used when we have to eliminate the sin, cos, tan, cot in terms of number. These are the elimination formula. Now we know some extra formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is another elimination formula. We know the formula sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So we can write elimination formula sec square theta minus tan square theta. The result will be 1. Next, cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So elimination formula cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. These all are elimination formula. Now we want to go for the elimination, then we can use the elimination formula. In future I will apply this thing. Next part, tan theta, we know the value of sin theta by cos theta. Similarly, cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Now remember, your syllabus is 9-10, but you have to apply very fast. First of all, recapitulate the formulas. Then we want to move how to this formula can be applied in your examination question. Next, some important formulas. Sin 90 degree minus theta. Result is cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 degree minus theta will be equal to sin theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta. Now cot 90 degree minus theta equal to tan theta. Similarly, sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta. First of all, you have to recapitulate all the formulas. Then, second phase we can apply. How can I observe our next type? If x sin theta equal to y cos theta, then find the value of 2 tan theta by sin theta plus cos theta. Same rule, cos in this side, y in this side, x in this side. So sin theta by cos theta, we can write y by x. So tan theta equal to, we can write y by x. So if we write a triangle, now this is theta, this is perpendicular, y base is x, so this is root over of x square plus y square. You know perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, put this value here. So 2 into tan theta means y by x by sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse, y by root over of x square plus y square, plus here cos theta base by hypotenuse, x by root over of x square plus y square. Now simplify and you can give the answer. Now we are giving example. What are the types you are going to face? Type 1. Let us consider they are giving sin theta equal to 4 by 5, and they can ask any question. Question number 1, what is the value of tan theta plus cot theta by 2 cos theta? Number 2, sin square theta plus cos square theta by 2 tan theta. 3, 2 cot theta by cos theta plus sec theta equal to. They can give any question. Now from this, when sin theta equal to 4 by 5, we only draw one triangle. This angle will be theta. Sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is the 4 and hypotenuse is the 5. Using Pythagoras theorem, you can find what is the value of base? 3. Now you know perpendicular, hypotenuse and base, and you can put directly. The first case, tan theta, perpendicular by base, 4 by 3, plus cot theta, base by perpendicular, 3 by 4, divided by 2. Cos theta means base by hypotenuse, so 3 by 5, and just simplify. Case 2. You know this is theta and this theta. Whatever value, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that should be 1. Don't put the values. Case 2. 2 tan theta. Tan theta means perpendicular by base. So 4 by 3, and simplify, you can get the answer. Third case. 2 cot theta. Cot means base by perpendicular. So 3 by 4. Cos theta, base by hypotenuse, 3 by 5. Plus sec theta. Cos theta means base by hypotenuse, sec theta means hypotenuse by base. So 5 by 3. And so you simplify, you can get the answer. This is your type 1. Next type, they can give tan theta equal to x by y. What is the value of sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta, or 2 cos theta by 1 plus cos square theta. They can ask any question. Same rule, draw a triangle. There is theta. Perpendicular by base, so perpendicular is x, base is y. So hypotenuse will be x square plus y square. Just put the values. Sin theta, perpendicular by hypotenuse, so x by root over of x square plus y square plus cos theta base by hypotenuse y by root over of x square plus y square whole divided by sin theta perpendicular hypotenuse x by root over of x square plus y square minus cos theta base by hypotenuse y by root over of x square plus y square. So now, if you know LCM is same, so x square plus y square, upper portion x plus y, lower portion x minus y. So direct result x plus y by x minus y, that is your answer. Next part, 2 cos theta. Cos theta means base by hypotenuse. So y by root over of x square plus y square by 1 plus cos square theta base by hypotenuse whole square. So base square is y square and hypotenuse square is x square plus y square, because root over of x square plus y square whole square is equal to only x square plus y square. Now simplify it. This is your type number 2. They are giving case 1. X sin theta equal to A and y cos theta equal to B. These two equations gives the representation of which type of curve. So you have to find out the equation in terms of xy. X equals sin theta, x into sin theta equal to A, y into cos theta equal to B, and we know sin square theta plus cos square theta cos square theta equal to 1. So I have to change in this way. Sin theta equal to A by x. So sin square theta equal to A square by x square. Similarly, cos theta equal to B by y. Then cos square theta equal to B square by y square. So now x sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we can write A square by x square plus y square by B square by y square equal to 1. They are giving 4 options. 1, x square plus y square equal to 1. 2, xy equal to 1. 3, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. D, a square by x square plus b square by y square equal to 1. You have to choose it. If they are giving x sin theta equal to a, y cos theta equal to b, what is the value of elevation formula? Which equation these two equations satisfied? X square plus y square equal to 1, xy equal to 1, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, or a square by x square plus y square by b square 1. By elevation, your result will be D, option D. This type of question includes by TCS last year. So remember, very careful. Sometimes they can ask which equation indicates by this given equation. Equation of the parabola, equation of the hyperbola, equation of the ellipse, equation of the circle, equation of the straight line, etc. Now next pattern. A sin theta equal to x, B cosec theta equal to 1. Now, this equation represents which type of curve? So, we know sin theta into cosec theta, this is cosec. So, sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. So, if I multiply these two things, we can get 1. So, A into B into 1, result is equal to xy. So, xy equal to AB means constant. So this equation represents rectangular hyperbolic curve. Most important area, A equal to A sin theta equal to x, B cosec theta equal to y, and which type of equation represented by these two given equation. So in your equation, there is no trigonometric function. So you have to use the elimination formula. Sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1, A into B, you can write A into B, into sin theta into cosec theta means 1 equal to xy. So xy equal to constant. Your equation is represent equation of the rectangular hyperbola. Next pattern. A sin theta equal to x, b cos theta equal to y, or a sin theta equal to x, a cos theta equal to y. Be careful. These coefficients are different. These coefficients are same. If the coefficients are different, you have to find out sin square theta plus cos theta, then you can write 1. So transfer here sin theta equal to x by a. Similarly, cos theta equal to y by b. So sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square, and this result is 1. Your result x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Just I told the equation standard form of the ellipse where a not equal to b. Last year this is giving this question. This equation represent the which type of curve? Number 1 parabola, number 2 hyperbola, number 3 ellipse, number 4 circle. Your answer will be ellipse. If I say this curve, here a, here also a, so don't change this thing. So if I multiply this into this, we can get a square, and sin theta into cos theta, not sin into cos theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So a square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta, the right side is x square plus y square, so this is equal to 1. So x square plus y square equal to a square. This is a standard form of the circle, most important theory. This is a standard form of the circle. They are giving this type of question, trigonometry, by the help of these two equations, represent which type of curve? 1 straight line, 2nd circle, 3rd parabola, 4th hyperbola. Remember, now this section is very much important for your forthcoming examination. TC has given some question and they want to judge your mathematical skill in that 11-12 level, mainly coordinate geometry. So before starting this section, you have to remember some standard form. You know, case 1, ax plus by plus c equals 0. This is a standard form of a straight line where maximum power of x is 1, maximum power of y is 1, maybe x 0, maybe y 0, but there is no term in terms of xy. We can write ax equals 0, we can write ax plus b equals 0, we can write b ay equals 0, we can write ay plus b equals 0. Means maximum power of x 1, maximum power of y 1, here maximum power of x is 1, maximum power of y is 0, or ax plus b, or ay plus b, all indicates the equation of straight line. Number 1, you know, equation of x axis is y equal to 0, equation of y axis is x equal to 0. If the line parallel to the x axis, y equal to constant, lower portion y equal to minus constant. If I write parallel to the y axis, x equal to constant, left side x equal to minus constant. These are the standard form. Remember, these are the standard form. Now, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, or ax equal to 0, or ax plus b equal to 0, or ay equal to 0, or ay plus b equal to 0, all indicate the curve known as the straight line. Now, number 2, case 2. Remember the standard value of the curve? Case 2. If I say x square plus y square equal to a square, or x minus a whole square plus y minus a whole square equal to k square, or x square plus y square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0. 3 forms. This equation, maximum power of x and maximum power of y are 2. There is no term in terms of xy. If I break it x square, if I break it y square, x maximum power, y maximum power is same 2, and coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square is same. This indicates the circle, and that circle origin is the center. And this side, x minus a whole square, y minus b whole square equal to k square, no problem. So this circle origin switches back this point or this point or this point or this point, whatever it be. The origin is not, the center is not the origin. The standard form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. The center will be minus g minus f, and radius will be root over of g square plus f square minus c. As we are coming from the BTech background, they want to learn what thing you have done in your HS level. So these are the standard form where maximum power of x and maximum power of y is 2. Coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square are same. Either equation in this form or this form or this form, all equation indicates the equation of circle. Case number 3. Case 3. Either y square equal to 4x or x square equal to 4ay or y equal to ax square plus bx plus c or x equal to ay square plus by plus c. These all standard form of the equation of parabola. These are the parabola. If I write this parabola, y square equal to 4ax. If I draw this parabola, x square equal to 4ay. Remember, the value, maximum value of x is 1. So x axis is the axis of the parabola. Maximum value of y is 1. So y axis is the axis of the parabola. In the case of parabola, if the maximum power of x is 1, the maximum power of y should be 2. Maximum power of x should be 2, then maximum power of y is 1. Here, maximum power of x is 2, maximum power of y is 1. Maximum power of y is 2, maximum power of x is 1. These all equation indicates the equation of the parabola. Remember the concept first, because after completion I will show what your question they are asking. Now, case 4. Case 4. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. The standard form of the ellipse may be a greater than b. In this case, maybe x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here a less than b. Remember the structure, the ellipse format is this. If I say this is a and this is b. So now if a greater than b, the ellipse structure is this shape. The axis is the x axis. If the a less than b, ellipse structure is this shape. Remember the standard form. So these are the equations of the ellipse where x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where x square coefficient and y square coefficient are not same. Maximum power of x and y is 2, but there is no term in terms of xy. That is the standard form of the ellipse. Last year, TC is giving the ellipse, which equation stand for the ellipse. Now, case 5. Case 5. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, where a greater than b. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, where a less than b. That this equation stands for the equation of the hyperbola. X square maximum power of x is 2, maximum power of y is 2, but middle sign is minus. Maybe a greater than b, the hyperbola structure this way. And if I say a less than b, hyperbola structure in this way. You have to remember the standard form. These are the equations of the hyperbola, where x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. There is no term in terms of xy, and coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square are not same, and middle sign is a minus. If a greater than b, hyperbola structure is this. If a less than b, hyperbola structure is this. And the last standard form, rectangular hyperbolic curve. Now we know PV curve. Rectangular hyperbolic curve, PV equal to constant. Remember in your 11th level. It signifies if I take any one point here, this is say P1 and this is say B1. This is a P2, this is a B2. Now, P into V, area will be same. If I take any other point, P into V, area will be same. This curve is called rectangular hyperbolic curve. This P1, V1 point and this P2, V2 point. So, P1, V1 equal to P2, V2. We know this is a graphical representation. So, now XY equal to constant, that is the standard form of the rectangular hyperbolic curve. XY equal to constant is the standard form of the rectangular hyperbolic curve. Now, you have to remember the curve and nature of the curve. Now they are giving the question from trigonometry function. How? Remember first again I am telling. Remember your formula, which are known as the elimination formula. Sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Sec theta into cos theta equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And cos square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. These are the 6 important formula to solve this type of problem. Now observe our third type. They can give same question but the different way. Condition 1, if 3 sin theta equal to 5 cos theta, then find any one value. Condition number 2, if 3 sin theta minus 5 cos theta equal to 0, then find the value of this. For these two problems, you have to change the areas. If I take cos in this side and c in this side, we can write tan theta will be equal to 5 by 3. Now, in this case, triangle, so 5 equal to perpendicular and 3 equal to base. So root over of 5 square plus 3 square. 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. So that is equal to root over 34. Now we know this tan theta equal to, we know 5 by 3. So we can find what is the value of this. 5 by 3 root over 5 square plus 3 square equal to 34. Now put the values. Tan theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse in this case. So 5 by perpendicular by base, 5 by 3. Cot theta equal to base by perpendicular, 3 by 5. By sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, 5 by root over 34. And cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse, 3 by root over 34, and you can simplify it, case 1. Similarly, 2 tan theta equal to 5 by 3. 1 minus tan square theta, so 5 by 3, 2 into 5 by 3 by 1 minus 5 by 3 whole square. You can simplify and give the answer. Condition number 1. Condition number 2. 3 sin theta equal to 5 cos theta. So if I change this way, we can write 3 sin theta equal to 5 cos theta. So cos theta is in this side, 3 in this side, so we can write tan theta equal to 5 by 3. Same, we can find the value of this. So they can ask this type of 2 questions. 3 sin theta equal to 5 cos theta, then find the value. Or 3 sin theta minus 5 cos theta equal to 0, find the value. So in this case, you have to find what is the value of tan theta. In this case, you have to find what is the value of tan theta, and then perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, you know, so you can find any value. Square minus y square, you can write in this way, x square by 1 whole square, or x square by 1 square minus y square by 1 square equal to 1. That is the elimination equation. Their question, what is the elimination equation, or which 4 equations satisfied by the help of this curve, any 2 curve. Now they are giving next step question. The most important part, elimination formula. A cosec theta equal to x b cot theta equal to y. When cosec theta and cot theta is there, you have to find out cos square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. So from here we can write cosec square theta equal to x square by a square. From here cos square theta equal to y square by b square. So this square minus this square, so cos square theta minus cos square theta, result is x square by a square minus y square by b square, and this result is 1. So your equation x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, which represent equation of the hyperbola. So this part is the most important part. Sometimes they can give what is the elimination equation. Eliminated equation, they are giving 4 types of option. Or they can ask which curve this equation is represented. Parabola, hyperbola, ellipse and circle, so on. So these are the most important pattern of the trigonometry, and some theories are there. We do not discuss about the trigonometrical identity and trigonometrical height and distance. So we will discuss again next height and distance. Okay. Now remember, at home, practice at home. Don't go outside, stay at home and practice, prepare yourself for your coming examinations. Next pattern, say they are giving a tan theta equal to x, b cot theta equal to y. Which type of curve these two equations represent? So when we see tan and cot, we know tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. So now we can write direct multiply a into b into tan theta into cot theta, and that's equal to xy. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1, so AB equal to xy. So xy equal to AB, and E and B are constant, that's equal to k. So xy equal to constant, this is also represent rectangular hyperbolic curve. Now next pattern, most important area, last year teachers introduced this thing, so you have to develop in this way so that you can get which type of curve they are introducing. Now they are giving a sec theta equal to x, b tan theta equal to y, or a sec theta equal to x, a tan theta equal to y. When you are observing sec theta and tan theta, your relation is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So here a and b are not equal. So first of all, transfer sec theta equal to x by a. Here tan theta equal to y by b. So sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to x square by a square minus y square by b square. So this result is 0, 1. So x square by a square minus y square by b square, result is 1. This indicates the hyperbolic curve. Y square by b square equal to 1. This indicates hyperbolic curve. In these cases, both are a. So you can directly square and subtract a square sec square theta minus a square tan square theta. So we can take a square common, sec square theta minus tan square theta, and the result is equal to x square minus y square. So this is equal to constant 1. So x square minus y square equal to 1. So you can write in this way, this is the equation x square minus y square equal to 1. So x square. Now we are starting one of the important area, trigonometry solution. Observe a question from home first. Type 1. Sin 12 theta equal to cos 3 theta. 2. Tan 9 theta equal to cot 6 theta. 3. Sec 3 theta equal to cosec 6 theta. And you have to find out what is the value of theta. If you know the subject, I know sin theta equal to cos 90 degree minus theta, or cos theta equal to sin 90 degree minus theta. Same things, if sin theta equal to, if I write sin alpha, we can write theta equal to alpha. These are your process. So remember, if it is sin, that should be cos. If it is tan, that should be cot. If it is sec, that should be cosec. These are the relation. Now, if I know the problem, what to do? Say sin theta, instead of sin theta, you can write cos 90 degree minus theta, and that is equal to cos 3 theta. Sin 12 theta, sin theta you can write cos 90 degree minus theta. Now cos theta equal to cos alpha, therefore theta equal to alpha. So 90 degree minus 12 theta equal to 3 theta. Therefore 15 theta equal to 90. So theta equal to 90 by 15, your result is 6 degree. But you have to adopt the techniques. Condition, if sin 12 theta equal to cos 3 theta, if sin cos or cos sin, if tan cot cot tan, or if sec cosec cosec, add these two numbers. 12 plus 3 equal to 15. 90 by addition of two numbers, you can get the direct result, 6 degree. Observation. What is the rule? 90 degree. Add these two values. 12 plus 3 is 15. Divided by 15, we can get direct result. What is the value of theta? Theta equals 6 degree. Similarly, 90 divided by 9 plus 6, 15. If I divide by 15, we can get 6 degree. Yeah, 90. 3 and 6 is 9. If I divide by 9, your result is 10 degree. So if you know the tricks, you can do the problem within 5 to 10 seconds maximum. So these are the one specific type to find out the solution when sin 12 theta equal to cos 3 theta, or tan 9 theta equal to cos 6 theta, or sec 3 theta equal to cos 6 theta. So you have to find out whether sin cos combination, tan cot combination, or sec cosec combination. Your rule is 90 divided by sum of these two numbers divided by answer. What is the answer? Is 6. 90 divided by 6 plus 9 is 15. Your answer is 6. 90 divided by 3 plus 6 is 9. Your answer is 10. This is the most vital area to solve what is solution. Next pattern, they can give solution in different way. I just want giving illustration. Say sin square theta plus 2 cos square theta equal to something. Say I just problem. If I say theta equal to 30, what is the result? Sin square 30, sin 30 equal to half a square plus 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. Your result is 1 by 4 plus 4 into 3 by 4. Sorry, 2 here. Root 3 whole square is 3 by 4. This equal to, if I take LCM 4, your result is 1 plus 3. So 4 by 4 equal to 1. Again, I just established one problem. Theta equal 30. If theta equal 30 degree, sin 30 half a square, plus 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2, root 30 whole square. So 1 by 4 plus 2 into 3 by 4. Now this is 3 by 4, this cancel is 2. If I make LCM 4, your result is 1. This 2, 2, 3 is 6. Sorry, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 4. Now they are giving that result is 7 by 4. Then what is the value of theta? Just observe. We maintain the equation either this way or they can give it this way. 4 sin square theta plus 8 cos square theta equal to 7. Then what is the value of theta? Option A, theta is given 0 degree. Option B, 30 degree. Option C, 45 degree. Option D, none of this. So if I put 0, sin 0 equal to 0 and cos 0 equal to 1, your result will be 8. It is 7. So put 30 degree. 4 into Sine square 30, sine 30 is half a square, plus 8 into cos 30, root 3 by 2, the root 3 by 2, whole square. Your result, 4 into 1 by 4, plus 8 into 3 by 4, these 4 cancel, these 2 cancel, so this 1 plus 6 equal to 7. Now by putting x equal theta equal 30 degree, this equation is satisfied, so your answer, correct answer is theta equal 30 degree. Don't go for the solving. In this case solution, you have to put the option in your given question. 0 is not possible. When 30 is possible, it is result is 7. So left hand side equal to 7. So 30 satisfies the equation. So your answer will be 30. Be careful about this problem. This is one pattern of trigonometric solution. Next pattern. They can give x sine square 30 degree minus 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 60 equal to 0. So what is the value of x? Just put x sine 30 half, so half a square 1 by 4 minus 2 tan 45 is 1, so 1 square is 1 plus cos 60 equal to half, so half a square equal to 1 by 4. Result is 0. So x by 4 equal to 2 minus 1 by 4. So 8, 7 by 4. So 4 cancel, result x equal to 7. Important pattern, trigonometric solution. X sine square 30 degree minus 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 60 into half. You have to remember all values. X sine 30 half a square directly 1 by 4 minus 2 tan 45 is 1, the whole square is 1 plus cos 60 half a square is 1 by 4. X by 4, 2 that side plus 2 minus 1 by 4, 8 minus 1, 7 by 4, 4 cancel, x equals 7. These are the trigonometric solution. Next pattern, find the value of. They can be find the value of 2 tan square 30 by 1 plus sine 60 cos 30 plus 2 sec square 45 degree equal to how? You have to remember all the values and directly put the values. 2 into tan 30 means 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 whole square, 1 by 3 by 1 plus cos 60 half, sine 60 root 3 by 2 and cos 30 sine 67 root 3 by 2 plus 2 sec 45 cos 45 root 1 by root 2, this is only root 2, root 2 whole square is 2. Result. Now 2 by root 3, this is 3 by 4, 1 plus 3 by 4 plus 4, 2 by 3 into directly 4 by 7 plus 4. Your result 8 by 21 plus 4. So 21 into 4 is 84, 84 plus 8, 96. 96 by 21, that is your answer. You have to remember from home and put the values only in the exam.